I go to flat tire. Welcome to the Cafe Ex Machina YouTube channel. The tubular road tire change begins by ripping it off the rim. A tubular road tire is a fully enclosed tire sewn around an inner tube and glued to a special rim. It offers low rolling resistance and light weight. Since the tire is glued to the rim, it can only be removed by tearing it off. Next, I remove the excess glue from the rim with a brass brush. Next, I use acetone to wash off the remaining glue. Do this in a well-ventilated area. According to the instructions, next you have to mount the tire onto the rim. This is quite a workout. The tire feels like it is one size too small for the rim. According to Continental's instructions, the tire must stretch on the rim for 72 hours at 10 bar pressure. Damn, couldn't they have pre-stretched it at the factory? Done. I install the valve in place. Next up, another workout. I need to get 10 bar of pressure into the tire. Damn, this hand pump sucks. Now the tire has stretched on the rim for 144 hours. I remove the tire from the rim and I apply the double-sided tape to the rim. Leave the top protective liner of the double-sided tape in place. Now I need to mount the well-stretched tire onto the rim on top of the tape. Fold the ends of the protective liner onto both sides of the rim and mount the tire in place. I did it! Next, add 3 bar of pressure to the tire. I check that the tire is seated properly on the rim and is straight. At this stage, the tire can be easily moved on the rim. When the protective liner is removed from between the tire and rim, the tire locks into place. The liner comes off easily. Finally, add 10 bar of air to the tire. And this project is complete. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to the channel.